Welcome back. I'm going to do a problem from 5.1. This is an example I did in class on Friday, but those of you in 5th hour, especially that were gone for the musical, missed this one. So I'm going to quickly run through this example. It's pretty short. And actually, once you've been doing some 5.2 problems, this one's pretty basic. Not too bad, at least. So we're going to do 5 over the quantity secant plus tangent x, and the instructions say, I'm not going to write those on here, but they say rewrite so this is not a fraction, and you probably saw these, one or two of these in the homework. So the issue here is the secant x plus tangent x. What do we do to get rid of it? There's no way to split the fraction, and one thing though that works is, you might notice too, is secant and tangent are Pythagorean buddies. So if only that were secant x minus tangent x, secant squared x minus tangent squared x, that'd be great. And to get that, we will multiply by the conjugate. So I'll write this out. Okay, multiplying by the conjugate. The numerator is not so happy about that because it just sticks on the end of what he already has. I'm not going to distribute the 5 yet. Maybe I will later. The denominator, though, is quite pleased because this is his conjugate. The always cancel, as they always do when you multiply conjugates, and that denominator is actually going to be 1. If you think about the identity that includes secant squared and tangent squared, it's tangent squared x plus 1 equals secant squared x. So if you were to rearrange it to make it look like what you see there at the denominator, that's 1. So if I replace all that with 1, then I just am left with the numerator, and that's my answer. I'm going to leave it factored. I wouldn't count off if you did push it through, but we'll leave it like this, and that's our answer. Again, when you get to 5.1, they'll tell you where you're going. There won't be the mystery. So I hope that helps you wrap up 5.1. Thanks.
Made with Doodlecast Pro.